Welcome back to One More Guru. In this video, I'll show you how to link Duo Mobile to your account step by step. Start by opening your App Store and downloading the Duo Mobile app if you don't already have it. Search for Duo Mobile, install the app, and then open it. Once the app launches, tap Continue to get started. From there, you'll be given two options to connect your account, using a QR code or an activation code. If you choose the QR code option, you'll simply scan the code provided on the website you're trying to access. While that works fine, the activation code method is usually the easier option. To use an activation code, tap Use Activation Code and select the website you're signing into. For example, if you're logging into Amazon, choose Amazon and then enter the activation code provided by that site. You can usually find this code in the website's security settings or help section, though the exact location may vary depending on the platform. Once you've entered the code, tap Next and follow the on-screen prompts to finish linking your account. And that's it, you're all set. Thanks for watching One More Guru. Hope this helped, and I'll catch you in the next one.